Well, guys, I think it's finally time to retire this baby and move on to the next one. If you guys didn't know, I've been doing 3D printing for a little while. If you want to check out my Etsy shop, link is down in the description below. I do sell 3D printed scale accessories for the RCs, and I also do custom. So if you have anything that you want made, send me a message, especially now that we're upgrading. So originally, this is a Monoprice Mini version 2, and the biggest I can do is 120 millimeters, which is about 3.5 inches. I can kind of get away with 4 inches sometimes, and it can print as tall as a Coke can, which is about 5.5 inches. So it's really served its purpose. I really like this printer a lot. It's been really good. It's not a touchscreen or anything like that. It's really nothing fancy, but I was able to purchase this and pretty much use it from day one out of the box with just some minor tweaks. But I'm running into issues now that I get more experience. Issue being, I want to do bigger prints, and as you can see, this is not going to work. So I've ordered me a Ender 3 Pro, which should be here any day, even though with this COVID pandemic, 3D printers have been in high demand. I actually found a pretty good deal, so I got it for $240 shipped to the door. But like I said, this is the mini and this is the print bed, and obviously I cannot fit this no matter which way. I have to stay inside of the lines for it to print, and I'm finding myself more and more often not being able to print things for that same reason. So time to retire this one, and as soon as a new one comes in, we'll start building. So our first print will be RC item that I couldn't print before, so it's gonna already start paying for itself, and I'm really excited about that. Well, there she is. Finally gonna get a chance to build it. It's been sitting for actually like a day or two, but I wanted to show you one thing. Well, what I wanted to show you is not so much this, it's this. I got a second one as well. Haven't even tried one yet, and I already have a second one. Talk about spur of the moment. But anyways, I just wanted to show you this as well. So this is the Creality glass. It's not actually made by Creality, but it's, I guess, the unofficial official glass bed form, where it has the build tag built in. So you can see it's pretty transparent. It's almost like having a tinted window. And just to compare bed sizes, the mini version 2, Creality. Wow. Was not expecting that much more building room. I knew it was big, I just didn't think it was that big. Well, I'm not going to bore you guys with a build video. We're just going to go ahead and snap our fingers and... I saw that I had some pretty nice quality, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna run with it, run with these settings, and I went straight to a 9-hour print. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing for basically this first full print of something. And not only that, there's the lid. There's definitely some tweaks that can be done to correct some of these issues, but overall, absolutely thrilled. So we pulled the bed off. As you can see, it's on here. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but boom. Isn't that incredible? So again, just check this out. I haven't finished taking it off yet, but that's freaking awesome. Pretty impressed with the quality of this thing overall, but like I said, it's not bad for a first full print out of this thing. 9 hours. I think it's pretty darn good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you learned something about this Ender 3 Pro. It really does live up to the hype as far as pricing and what it can do. And this is just stock settings. So we're going to tweak this a little bit and see how much better we can get this thing. But that's going to do it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. As always, I try to answer back. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit notifications. And we'll see you on the next one.